Hello, today we will guide you through how to add hyperlinks in email using Gmail app. To begin, open Gmail. If you are starting from a browser search page, simply select Gmail from the results. Once Gmail opens, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are on your main inbox screen before moving on, since that is where you will start composing your message. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click Compose. This opens a new email draft window where you can create your message. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the message to. It is a good idea to double-check the address for accuracy so your email reaches the correct recipient. Now that your draft is open, find the formatting menu in the Compose window and click the Insert Link button. This is the tool that lets you turn plain text into a clickable hyperlink, which can make your email look much cleaner and easier to read than pasting a long web address directly into the message. After selecting the link option, copy the web link you want to share and paste it into the link field. Be sure the full link is included so it directs the reader to the correct page. This step connects the destination website or web page to the text your recipient will click. Then, in the text field, type the words you want your recipient to see in the email. This is the display text for the hyperlink. For example, instead of showing a long website address, you can use clear wording that tells the reader exactly what the link is for. Keeping this text short and descriptive usually works best. Once both the link and the display text are entered, click Apply. Gmail will insert the hyperlink into your email draft. At this point, you can quickly review the message to make sure the link appears correctly and the wording looks the way you want. If needed, you can click the link text again to edit it before sending. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver your email. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to an email in Gmail. Using hyperlinks can make your messages look more professional, more organized, and much easier for recipients to follow. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you complete the process with confidence.